Okay, welcome to Outdoor Gear Repair, everybody. Today we're going to show you how to fix a piezo ignition on a Soto Windmaster stove. All right, let's get on with this and see if we can get this thing back on the trail. You'll need a screwdriver, the small Phillips head. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take out that right there. There's a little screw. Pop that off. Oh, good crud, it's gone. Wait, I've got it. All right, then once you take that off, you can actually just work this out and notice that it separates this right here from this. This is the stem from the piezo, and it goes up through this tube. Once you take that off, put that to the side. And then there's another little screw right here. That one we're going to take out as well because that's how you're going to get the old piezo out. Okay, once that comes off, you should be able to just kind of work this one loose. There's like a little tiny tab that fits in there. You can just pull that one out. And then notice as I pull this out, the stem from the old piezo is going to be pulled right through this hole right here. That comes out. Now I just removed the old one. There we go, and that's it. You can see how this one actually melted. My friend had a mishap with his stove, and I don't know why, but it was like shooting out flames out of the bottom and just fried everything. So he just headed for the hills and ran. he saw the flames shooting out everywhere. He thought the whole thing was going to blow, so he just got up and left, and it got too hot and melted this out. Usually if that happens, you can actually just go over and turn that shut really quickly and cut off your supply. I've never heard of one of these things exploding when somebody's flames are shooting all over, but who knows, maybe you'll be the lucky one. I got a new one from Soto here. Open that up. Take out the new one. There it is. Yeah, that looks like the switch, all right. Wow, it even comes with like a new little screw. That's good because the other one was it wasn't stripped out, but it was on its last leg. So that's good. Here it is. Looks somewhat similar to the old one, except a little bit longer where it didn't melt off. And then put the new one in like that. You'll have to, before you screw this on, you're going to have to put that up through the hole right there. Okay, put that on. Make sure the shield goes over the top of this one here. There we go. And I'm gonna try to make sure that the piezo stem is out of the way of the gas line right there because there's the gas valve in there. You don't want to obstruct that, so just kind of push that out of the way there like that so it's resting against the side of the wall. Make sure it fits over that ignition stem. And then line up where did it go? There we go. Line up your hole here. New screw back on here. I feel like that's it. Let's go ahead and test it out. Seems like that's on. All right. Open her up a little bit. Wow! I think I might have just burned the phone. Let's try it again. I'm gonna raise this up a little bit higher this time. And you can see the spark working there. So that's good. Means there's a good connection. Et voila. All right, there you have it. How to fix your piezo ignition on your Windmaster. I hope that that looked easy enough for you because it actually was. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next episode of Outdoor Gear Repair.